Welcome to Novation Academy for MIT App Inventor. In this video I am going to explain you about MIT App Inventor and we will come some topics. So here are the points. First point is what is MIT App Inventor. Second, login into MIT App Inventor. Third, application of MIT App Inventor. So let us explore what is MIT App Inventor. This is an open source cloud-based software which is used to develop Android apps. You can access this software on any OS platform like Mac iOS, Linux, and Windows. MIT App Inventor is block-based coding software and GUI of this software is very user-friendly. Now come to the second point, how to get registered with MIT App Inventor. First, open your browser. It can be Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer and etc. Now type MIT App Inventor in the search bar and click enter button. When you will click enter, this screen will open. Now just go with this first link. After click on the first link you will be enter into the main screen of MIT App Inventor. To get registered with this software you need to click on this Create Apps option. Now it will ask you to select your Google account through which you want to get in. Here you need to select your one Google account. After selecting Gmail account it will redirect you to the page of terms of service. Just read out all the services then click on I accept the terms of services. Now just click on the continue to remove this splash. After clicking on continue, here is the screen which is showing some tutorials. If you want to explore some tutorials then click on it. Otherwise click on close button. Alright, now here we have successfully get registered with the MIT App Inventor. In the next tutorial I will explain you how to use MIT App Inventor.